This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by Delaware Electric Cooperative.
Well, you may have heard the saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure. But thanks to the Delaware Electric Cooperative, that trash could now be another's electricity.
Co-op has started purchasing power from the Delaware Solid Waste Authority's landfill in Kent County, Delaware. The co-op's Jeremy Tucker shows us how your trash is now powering homes.
Garbage in your trash can stinks, and it smells even worse when it gets here to the landfill. The nasty smell is part of the decomposing process, which produces methane gas that is now being turned into energy.
This is an excellent opportunity for the members of Delaware Electric Cooperative to receive environmental friendly, reliable, and very cost competitive power that's distributed directly onto our distribution system and eliminates a lot of the congestion charges and transportation charges of moving power from the large power plants to our homes.
These huge engines convert the methane gas into electricity. A company called Ameresco expanded this energy producing facility. Over the past few months, Ameresco added equipment and engines that now produce enough electricity to power 1,200 co-op homes.
It's the best thing that you can do for the environment because methane is 13 times more damaging to the ozone layer than anything else we do. So burning it efficiently in these engines, it's the best thing we can do.
Until now, excess gas from the landfill was being burned off, resulting sometimes in a huge flame. By turning the gas into energy, carbon emissions from the landfill have dropped dramatically.
It is good for Delaware, it is good for the Delaware Electric Cooperative members, and it's good for the environment.
Using your garbage to provide sustainable energy to co-op members, all while cleaning up Delaware's air.
10% of Delaware Electric Cooperative's power will come from clean, renewable sources, including a 20-acre solar energy farm in Sussex County.
That is so neat.
Isn't that amazing?
It's nice to see that happening here on Delmarva. Well, another treasure on Delmarva, the skipjack Rosie Parks. We followed her restoration since the beginning, and now it's almost time for her to set sail. Delmarva Life's Sean Stryker is at the Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum. Sean?
Well, Jimmy and Lisa, after a 3-year restoration project, the Rosie Parks is finally ready to sail. Coming up, we'll talk to the project manager and tell you what's up next for the Rosie Parks.
And while we are on the water, it is considered the Mount Everest of sailing. We're going to get a preview and hear from one of the team members next. Delmarva Live. We'll be right back.